Girls, tough guys, here with you. Checking out a new blind buy review. Another one from the House of Lion of Judah. Conqueror. Let's do a opening here. Lion here, the head. Plastic, but it's cool for sure. Nice atomizer. What do I smell? Smell pepper, green, woody, musk. That's what I'm getting off the nose. Okay, the blend's not bad. It's a little metallic. I think it's the pepper. Let's look at the ingredients to make sure what they have here. All right, opening notes: bright, fresh spice, blast of cinnamon, lemmy, and Brazil orange. Heart notes: warm accents, amber, plum, benzoin, and cedarwood. Base notes: smooth, sweet, or mod. Finish with vanilla absolute, musk, and woody undertones. Definitely get it. All right, I'm gonna wear it, see what the thoughts are. For me right now, not a fan of the spice. Not really my scent at the moment, but let me wear it, come back and tell you later on in the day what I think. Final review. Back with you. All right, so I wore it. What did I think of it? It's not really my scent. Definitely not the kind of scent I would wear personally. Longevity. I say it was a skin scent for about an hour and some change. It kind of faded away, and it was kind of a softer scent for sure. Obviously not a beast scent, but I mean that's something that if you like, you can carry with you and just respray. For me, I have to rate it. It's rough, man. I think it's like a 7. I'm not a fan of it. Smelled a little metallic. Maybe I need to let it macerate, soften up a little. But it's definitely not my kind of scent. Look at the notes, see what you think. I'll have to have different perspectives on it. I can try it in a month, see if it blends better, and just let me know in the comments if you want an actual review of it in a month, and we'll go from there. Thanks.
I blew the dust off the pen and the pad. If I get back at it, some of y'all will get mad. Some of y'all will say, oh, where you been at? Then a few of you will say, we need them back.